Our Thailand adventure began in Ko Lanta, in the stunning Krabi region. If you are dreaming of white sandy beaches, delicious food and untouched nature without the crowds, this is the place. Here, life slows down. It is the perfect place to unwind, enjoy amazing food and picture perfect sunsets. Ko Lanta isn't just beautiful, it's the kind of place that stays with you long after you leave. In our first night we stumbled upon an incredible fire show right on the beach near our hotel. The show was amazing and it felt like the island was welcoming us with a spectacle we'd never forget. After a few days of beachside chilling, it was time for adventure. So we booked a speedboat and set off to one of Thailand's most iconic spots, the legendary Maya Bay. You've probably seen this place in movies, but nothing compares to seeing it in real life. As much as we loved Ko Lanta's laid-back vibes, it was time to switch gears. We hopped on a ferry and sailed toward our next stop, Ao Nang, where adventure and a little chaos awaited. The next morning we jumped on a Longtail boat and set off for Railay beach. It turned out to be the most stunning beach we saw in all of Thailand. Lights, flavors, chaos, just a taste of Ao Nang's iconic night market. Our Thailand adventure continued. It was time to hop on the ferry and cruise toward Phuket. The ride was pretty long, and at one point we even stopped to pick up some fellow travelers from another ferry. The rest of the journey was beautiful. Just us, the open sea, and those stunning ocean views. Somewhere between the waves and the horizon, as our ferry carried us toward Phuket, the sunset wrapped the sea in gold, a fleeting moment that became a lasting memory. The next day we woke up in Phuket and spent the morning at the famous Patong beach. After all the peace and quiet in Railay and Ko Lanta, Patong presented a striking contrast: noise, color and chaos, in the best way possible. Thailand's beaches really do have split personalities. As it turns out, Phuket offers more than just stunning shores. We also explored golden temples and wandered through Phuket Old Town, with its colorful streets and rich history. Absolutely worth the visit. In the evening we headed back to Patong to explore its famous nightlife. Waking up early during your holiday is not something that you want to do. However, we did it because we booked a day trip to the stunning national park Similan Islands. We couldn't leave without checking out that famous James Bond island. You know, the one from the movie. It's just a quick boat ride from Phuket, and it is totally worth the hype. The tour included also canoeing, which made the whole adventure way more fun and hands-on. We traded the ocean views for something completely different. A journey north to experience one of Thailand's most iconic traditions, the floating markets near Bangkok. This isn't just a market, it's a living piece of Thai history. For centuries, these waterways were the highways of daily life. Nowadays, these floating markets have become a must-see attraction, drawing visitors from every corner of the globe. It's no surprise why. We headed back to Bangkok and dove straight into the sensory overload of Chinatown. This is where Bangkok's Chinese heritage comes alive. Every corner smells like roasted duck, spicy noodles, and adventure. Bangkok is the kind of city that never sleeps and never stops surprising you. The next morning we took a step back in time and visited Ayutthaya, Thailand's ancient capital. In the evening we headed back to Bangkok and visited the temples. Just outside Bangkok, we found something straight out of a fantasy, the Dragon Temple. Back in Bangkok, we saved the best for last, the breathtaking Grand Palace complex. And of course, the amazing Wat Arun temple.